Brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods here in Berkeley, California, one of the world's great centers of learning. We're just a walk away from the great campus of the University of California of Berkeley, where over 40,000 students and faculty happen to be focused on advancing knowledge and learning, a very, very special place indeed. And today, we're going to be making an alive, organic chia seed pudding. It's too easy. And in your kitchen, it will take all of something like 5 minutes to put together. A delightful, magnificent way to start your day. Think of a breakfast of alive, organic chia seed pudding. Can you relate to that? So, let's begin. And as our base, as we've done time and time again with various recipes, we're going to make almond milk as our base. So I'm going to put in, let's say, 2 cups. Make it 1.5 cups of spring water. And to that 1.5 cups of spring water, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, which we make right here at our production facility, made from California almonds, grown by a farming family who've been on this California earth for over 5 generations. A very special family indeed, the Kortoff family. They're located out in Fresno. So here we go. We've put in 1.5 cups of spring water. We use Mountain Valley water, it's simply the best. We put in heaping tablespoon of alive organic almond butter. We're going to press the button to watch the miracle occur. That's all it is. We're using a most ordinary of blenders, which you could get in any hardware store. Nothing fancy about this at all, but it does the job. And the miracle has occurred. It flashed into a white milk, almond butter milk. I could store it in my refrigerator and simply drink it at my leisure, or I could use it as a base for all sorts of alive confections, alive soups, alive casseroles, or whatever. So anyway, here we have our almond butter base. We have our alive organic almond milk. And to this we're going to add some chopped dates. This is a Deglet Nor date. These dates are grown right here in California, in Southern California to be sure. And this is a pitted date that we offer on our website. So we're going to be adding some pitted dates. And let's give that a blend. Let's blend it up. Okay. And then we're going to be adding some Thompson seedless California grown raisins, sun-dried of course. So, a couple spoonfuls of our Thompson seedless raisins, and let's blend them up. Okay. And now we're going to be adding the chia seeds. Let's go ahead and let's do 1/2 cup of chia seeds. This is a black chia seed, by the way. It would work just as well and just as splendidly with a white chia seed. So here we go. Here we go, half a cup of chia seeds. Let me see where we're at with that. Half cup nut. There we go. There we go. Half cup of chia seeds. We'll add that up. Add that in. Okay. And we're going to give it a blend. And now let's add some sweeteners. Why not? Why not a touch of maple syrup? And why not some of our extraordinary Hawaiian native forest honey? It is a lilting honey filled with melodies of flowers and bees and waterfalls, and filled with natural forces and vivacity. So here we go, our Hawaiian native forest honey, and let's give it a tablespoon. Okay. And we'll give that a blending also. Okay, it's thickening up very nicely. And last but not least, so right now we have basically our chia seed pudding. You could put it in your, we recommend putting it in your refrigerator. It will set overnight, and the next morning you'll have something wondrous, magnificent to start your day with. But we're not done. We're going to be adding some cacao powder from Peru, organic of course. So here's our Living Tree Alive Organic. And let's give it a tablespoon of cacao powder, maybe another tablespoon. Here we go. Oh, the texture is simply magnificent. Let's pour it into the bowl. And here, look at that. Look at that. It's luxuriously thick, it's radiant, and it's alive. A chia seed pudding made with Degadnor dates, Thompson seedless raisins, maple syrup, Hawaiian native forest honey, and cacao powder from Peru. Imagine empowering your day with this creation. It's all possible. We've reached the stage, brothers and sisters, where we can do anything that you can imagine, you can accomplish. You can do it. So let's empower ourselves with alive, organic, chia seed chocolate pudding. Let's go forward, brothers and sisters. A privilege and honor to work with you. Thank you indeed, and bye for now.